Hey y'all, I came out here to do some work on the scooter today, and I just came to install another anti-theft device that I had on before, but it was in a different location. Okay, this is called shit. Let me see 1 second. Oh damn! Oh, here it is. This is called, let me see. Damn, I forget what it's called. Oh, it's called WSDCam. All right, I'm looking at it from underneath the bike, and I can see that it's called WSDCam. It's a device that when somebody comes to your scooter and touches it, it sets off this alarm, and it's quite loud. Okay, so it's touch sensitive, and it has several different alarms to it. I can turn it on, I can turn it off with a remote control. So when I leave tonight, I'll turn it on and walk away. And then if it goes off, it's on them and the neighborhood, okay? But I don't know if you can see it from right here. Let me see. See, here it is. It's on the underneath side of it. And there it is. I wonder if you can see it. Hopefully it's clear through the camera. But anyway, let's see here. Let's see what I've done. I've taken some zip ties. Damn. I've taken some zip ties, about 4 exactly. I'll put 2 here, a red one and a yellow one. And tied it around the outside and across this pole. 2 zip ties. And then I did the same thing here on this pole here. 2 zip ties. And I did the same thing to the bottom 2. Here and here. So it's a more secure connection than what it was before. Because before I just had it hung on by some double stick tape in one side. Actually, there's two double-sided tapes. One goes right here. But I decided to go against the double-sided tape because here it had nothing to stick to, so it's just a waste. It's just a waste. So I wanted to go this route and try this first. Try this next. See how well it would do. I'm trying to hold on to it. Hopefully I won't lose it. But I wanted to do one zip tie across all the way across, but they're not long enough. They're not long enough, so I decided to make do with the double side on each side. Okay. So we're gonna see how that works. Let me give you an example. Let me give you a drum run. Let me turn it on. Turn it on with this right here. There it is. Alright, so set the alarm off. Let me try it. Touching it. That's a warning. Actually, I think it's kind of weak myself. It's kind of weak, but it's enough to get some surrounding people's attention, and to let the person know that because they don't know what's going on. They don't know if this device is calling the cops and the cops are on the way or what. But I realized that when it comes to the theft and scooters, that there's not much you can do to stop them from taking a scooter, unless you tie it to a pole or something like that. Even then, just give somebody some time, and then figure out the lock. So what it is, my anti-theft devices are designed to slow a person down, so that stealing the bike will not be as swift and smoothly and quick as they want it to be. So I got this. This is one device, the WSDCam. That's one device, and I have a snake tie, which you tie around the wheel into a pole. Keep it stationary that way. And I have two of those, right? And then I have this here. These are some of my accessories. Let me show you. I have this here. What this does is it's supposed to make it difficult for a person to use the throttle. They still could if they want to, but they have to work around this or complete Jimmy this unlocked if they could. Do that, and then I have a cover that goes over top of the whole scooter to make it less appealing to somebody who would sit back and study the bike while it's uncovered or whatever. So I have that as well. Well, this back trunk came off. I decided it was a perfect time to put this on here, because it's going to go underneath the trunk. It's not going to sit out and open like this. It's going to go underneath this here. So I'm going to put this back on its frame here and tie it down with these ties underneath here, right here. And I'll move these ties around because I have options to move the ties around in these holes right here. Right there. So that's what I'll do. I'll work on putting those in correctly and more securely, and have a more solid setup, you know. But that's what I'm going to do in the meantime. So wish me luck, right? But I'm having a blast doing stuff already. In a perfect Georgia weather, it's divine out here. Nice and sunny. It beats Chicago, beats the hell out of Kansas City. Those places were cold. I couldn't be more happy to be here. Oh my God, it's beautiful. And this is icing on a cake right here. So you best believe I want to take care of this. So let me get back to work so I can finish this up. It's like 5 or 6 right now. So I'm gonna get this finished with a few hours left of daylight and get this thing set up. All right, y'all take care. I'll see you in the next one. Moped Culture forever. Say bye, Pepper. Pepper says bye.